Hey there, McAllister here with Toasty DIY. Today we're having a look at the Haylou GT3 earbuds. Haylou reached out to us and sent us a pair of them to go ahead and review. So on screen you can see they are pretty compact. Personally, I do like the darker design as compared to some other major brands out there in the earbud industry. As far as recording this voiceover, I have yet to charge the case, and this is after about 10 to 12 hours of actual usage. Let's go ahead and cut to past me to talk about more.
So I run the grocery pretty often with my one wheel, and occasionally, oh gosh, I don't know if I can get more than this. Sorry, tree. Oh, another tree. All right, so I ride the one wheel down to the grocery pretty often, and I like to wear headphones when I do it, so I was fortunate these came in when they did. I'm trying them out now and see if they slip out. I can feel this one's a little loose. Now, I have been playing around with the sizing on which silicone bud I want to use, but we are trying to find out which one. People are staring at me, it's weird, I don't do this. But I gotta say, for most of the trip, they've been pretty in there. They get a little loose, a little shaky, unlike when I had the AirPods, but I've got to say, for the price of these ones, I think they're pretty killer. As far as it goes, the AirPods, you know, $163 or something like that after tax and all, and these are somewhere on the mic, you know, they're right here in the price range. I looked it up and I was surprised. I was able to walk from the front of Toasty Bros all the way to the back without even, you know, losing connection from them. That's farther than I could go with the AirPods. So as far as that speaks, now they don't have the H3 chip or the W3 chip or the fill in the blank chip that allows you to just open the box and connect them, but it took me 30 seconds to get it done versus 10 seconds with the Apple branded ones. And these have the same kind of design that you'd expect from the AirPod Pros, not just the AirPod normal ones. They have a few features that's kind of cool. On the AirPods, you're going to be limited. On the AirPods, you're limited to one macro per ear. And this one, you get all three of the macro functions. You get next song, you get start, and you get Siri, all without having to take them out. So all that being said, I would highly recommend these. I'm actually kind of surprised to say that. I'm a huge fan of the AirPods, and as far as it goes, these are pretty awesome. I'm really been a fan of using them, and for the price, I remember thinking that was ridiculous. I apologize that I can't remember the price off the top of my head, but I mean, it's great for the trips here. So taking the one wheel out, going to the grocery store, come back with Baja Blast, and I gotta say, yeah, I'm a fan. Well, I gotta say, grocery run done. I'm a fan. They didn't slip out the whole ride. Now they are gonna lose fill this one that could pop out if I give it the chance, but I can't really complain for the price of them. They were awesome thus far. So I gotta say, they did send them to us for free, so this is a review sample, and I gotta give it an enthusiastic thumbs up, hiding the Blast logo there.
Yeah, so that was a basic overview of the Haylou GT3's. If you want to go ahead and purchase them, we'll have a link in the description below. And thanks for watching. Feel free to like, comment, or subscribe to the channel. And I appreciate you tuning in. Peace out.